First thing I want to do is learn about my audience, and especially the richer data this year has allowed me to change my approach. The whole reason we're talking is because of the product and what we did with it. How well do you understand your client?
Welcome, everyone. My name is Kim Larson.
Hi, I'm Kevin Michelizzi. When I did the study last year, obviously as a marketer, the first thing I want to do is learn about my audience. I want to get insights on the audience. So we went with, Google Form just to capture that data. And then I did manual analysis of all the responses. Challenge there is, how well am I categorizing? Did I catch everything? How many hours do I really want to put into this? And then this year, the ability to, one, expand the questions so that we have consistency across different areas so that we can compare the results. But two, being able to do that data analysis, get some AI support, and really pull some great insights out of the data was fantastic for me. You have to understand who you're talking to. You have to understand what's important to them. What are their challenges? What do they value? And working with a neighborhood, exact same challenges are in place. If you don't know what the neighbors want collectively and individually, then it's incredibly difficult to put together a strategy to really move the neighborhood forward, make it safer, make people more comfortable, make people feel more welcome. It was really just a great opportunity to pull in quantitative and qualitative data to better understand them so that we can figure out what programs, what challenges do we need to address to improve the neighborhood. In my marketing career, I've worked as a digital marketer, I've worked as a community marketing manager, I've worked as a product marketing manager, I've worked as a director of marketing. And regardless of what role I'm in, the biggest challenge when you walk into a new environment is how well do you understand your clients? How well do you understand your prospects, your customers? And really, what can you take away from their experience to improve how the company is going to market? Most companies, when they think of positioning, they think of, oh, what do we think we do better? But they're not always looking at it from the lens of, what is important to the customer. Um, what I have found really works for me is starting with, qualitative analysis, getting out of the office and really trying to talk to those people you're trying to reach, virtual or in person. But it's really a great opportunity for you to better understand how they view the world, what's important to them, and even how they talk about the kind of work they do. I think a lot of companies get very insular and start speaking their own language when it comes to products, when it comes to the market, and it doesn't always reflect the reality of what others are saying. Once you understand the audience, then it's easier to build a strategy around that. Figuring out how you position your product, how you talk about the product, the messaging, the actual copy you're going to use, the campaigns you want to put together. All of that is built on a foundation of having a strong understanding of the customer. So you start building that plan, that strategic plan, to really get at the core of what that customer needs.